Hi guys, welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today we're cooking a hearty and saucy pork belly stir-fry loaded with colorful vegetables. It's comforting, delicious, and perfect for a simple home-cooked meal. Let's start with the meat. We've got some pork belly, and we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces, not too big, so it cooks evenly and absorbs all the flavor. Now, set it aside and let's work on the veggies. In a pan, add a bit of oil and toss in the chopped carrots. Let them toast for a bit. You want those edges slightly golden. Now, add in your sliced bell peppers and give them a quick toss with the carrots. Next, throw in some onions and keep toasting everything together for extra aroma and flavor. Once they're slightly soft and toasted, go ahead and add the cabbage. Toast for about a minute, just enough to bring out the sweetness of the vegetables. Season it with a pinch of salt and give everything a good stir. At this time, set all the veggies aside. We'll bring them back later. Now in the same pan, add in your pork belly slices. Let them saute until the edges are nicely browned and a bit crispy. Once the fat has rendered out, carefully remove the excess oil from the pan. We want it flavorful, not greasy. Now add in your chopped garlic and saute until it's fragrant. You'll smell it instantly. Now toss in some chopped onions and stir until they soften a bit. Time to bring in some spice. Add 2 teaspoons of black pepper and give it a quick saute. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of cooking rice wine and let it toast for about a minute. This adds depth and a bit of sweetness. Add in 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now, add 7 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir it all well. Let that pork soak up the flavor. At this time, pour in just enough water to cover the meat and bring it to a simmer. Let it cook slowly until the pork becomes tender. It's worth the wait. At this point, you can add MSG if you like, totally optional. And if you want a hint of sweetness, go ahead and add a bit of sugar to balance the flavor. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add back the toasted vegetables and give everything a good mix. If the sauce feels too thin, stir in a little cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. Keep simmering until everything's coated in that glossy, flavorful sauce. Let it simmer for a bit so the veggies absorb that rich, savory sauce. Your pork belly stir-fry is ready to serve. Savory and full of texture. If you loved this recipe, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss the next one. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I've got more easy and delicious recipes waiting for you. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!